The cost of living in these 10 countries is much lower than in the US. Retirees can live on Social Security with money left over each month. At the end of the video, we share 5 tips to help you transition from the United States to any of these 10 destinations. 1. Mexico. Proximity to the US, vibrant culture, and affordable healthcare make Mexico a popular choice. Cities like Mérida and Oaxaca offer low living costs and rich cultural experiences. 2. Costa Rica. Known for its natural beauty and political stability, Costa Rica offers affordable healthcare and a relaxed lifestyle, especially in areas like the Central Valley.
3. Colombia. Cities like Medellin boast a low cost of living, pleasant climate, and improving infrastructure, attracting many expatriates.
4. Ecuador. With its diverse climates and affordable living, cities like Cuenca are favorites among retirees and expats.
5. Philippines. English is widely spoken, and the cost of living is low, making it an attractive destination for Americans, particularly in cities like Cebu and Davao.
6. Thailand. Thailand offers a rich culture, excellent cuisine, and affordable living, especially in cities like Chiang Mai.
7. Vietnam. Cities like Da Nang and Ho Chi Minh City offer low living costs, vibrant street life, and a growing expat community.
8. Portugal. Portugal combines European charm with affordability, particularly in cities like Porto and regions like the Algarve.
9. Morocco. Morocco offers a unique blend of cultures, affordable living, and proximity to Europe, with cities like Marrakesh being popular among expats.
10. Turkey. Turkey's diverse landscapes, rich history, and low cost of living make cities like Antalya and Izmir attractive to foreigners. These countries offer a combination of low living costs, cultural richness, and amenities that appeal to many Americans seeking a more affordable lifestyle abroad. If you have an interest in any of these 10 countries, first thing you want to do is pay off all your debt before retiring. Decide if you want to rent or sell your primary home.
The second thing you want to do is spend at least 1 month in each destination before deciding. On sites like Airbnb, you can find turnkey rentals that are fully furnished, including kitchen cookware, Wi-Fi, and all utilities. All you need to do is pack your bags and show up.
Thirdly, you want to be prepared for surprises and disappointments. If you are flexible, your offshore excursions will prove to be exciting and adventurous.
Airbnb can provide a list of safe tours and things to do to help you explore the city or town you're visiting.
If you want to meet new people, join the Expat Facebook group even before you arrive to get the inside information on your chosen destination.
Medicare will not cover you outside of the United States. There is a link to affordable travel and medical insurance, regardless of your age, including a Medivac option in the description.
It's essential to research each destination thoroughly, considering factors like visa requirements, healthcare safety, and local laws before making a permanent move. Happy travels, and check out the description of this video for free resources for expats and retirees.